Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session we had learnt about the differentiation of logarithm and as well as exponential function. You had learnt about very basic things, okay? Basic thing, what do you mean by logarithm function, what do you mean by exponential functions, its a domain range and the properties of logarithm you had seen. So today in this class we shall start with the problems related to our logarithmic differentiation, that too with respect to our properties, okay, that too with respect to properties, okay, fine. So now what actually this logarithm differentiation is and when we have to use it, that is very important. For example, if you are having a problem like y is equal to sin x plus cos x, here you can differentiate directly, that is dy by dx of sin x, that is dy by dx equal to d by dx of first of all sin x plus cos x, okay, that is nothing but by the algebra of derivative we can write it as a d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ನಮಗೆ cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, okay, d by dx of cos x. You can differentiate it separately, but whenever you are having the problems of like this, that is y is equal to x to the power of cos x, function to the power of function, here constant to the power of function means you can solve it a to the power of x, okay, a to the power of x differentiation is a raised to x is d by dx of a raised to x will be a raised to x into log a, that you can easily solve it, okay, and you had already learnt that topic in the first PUC. According to that, by making use of composition of function I can solve it, that is a raised to x, a raised to cos x into log a into further d by dx of what we have cos x, that is nothing but here minus sin x into a raised to cos x into log a, okay, that is very simple topic, that is dy by dx derivative. Now here we are having a constant to the power of function, it is. If suppose you are having a function to the function, okay, function to the power of function, then we can't directly differentiate it, okay, we can't directly differentiate. So here to solve it, to simplify the problem, okay, to solve or simplify the problem, we have to make use of tool. That tool itself is our properties of logarithm, that we shall see, okay. Let y is equal to, okay, f of x to the power of g of x be the function, okay, then take log on both the sides, take log on both sides. So what we have, that is log y is equal to, okay, log of f of x to the power of g of x, log of f of x to the power of g of x, that in turn we get log y is equal to, we are having a property of logarithm, that is log a to the power of b means b log a, okay, in the yesterday's session we have discussed it. Therefore according to that what we'll have, g of x into log of f of x, okay. So now here these two terms are different. Now easily you can differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to y means differentiate with respect to y, with respect to, sorry, x here, with respect to x, log y differentiation will be 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, okay, 1 by y, log y means 1 by y, further differentiation of y becomes dy by dx, then it is part is u and this part is v, then by using the product rule you can differentiate it easily, that is g of x as it is, differentiation of f of x is log is f of x into f dash of x plus log f of x as it is, log f of x as it is into, okay, g of x differentiation is, that is g dash of x, g dash of x, or else we can write it as, okay, we can write it as d by dx of g of x, both are same. Instead of writing this, okay, instead of writing d by dx of f of x, I had written here directly f dash of x, that in turn it is nothing but here f dash of x, okay. That was a very simple concept related to this particular problem. Now we shall start our actual problems related to this, okay, that is y is equal to f of x to the power of g of x. That means here one thing is very simple and very important. Whenever we are having a problems of such kind, that is function to the power of function, that is x to the power of sin x, okay, or else constant to the power of sin x, nothing wrong in that, or else any other values, okay, sin x to the power of cos x to the power of tan x, all these terms, these are nothing but here function to the power of function. We have to make use of logarithmic differentiation, or by making use of properties of logarithm here. Okay, now students, now let us start with the problems related to this particular value. Problems. Problems. The first one, we shall take the problem as, okay, y is equal to differentiate. Problems, differentiate, okay, with respect to x, okay. The first one, just in the examination, it is very simple. He will ask you to differentiate the following. He will not give you whether it is an implicit function or whether it is an inverse trigonometric function or it is a logarithmic function, okay. He will not give anything, or whether it is a chain rule, he will not specify anything, depending on the problems, okay. Whatever the problems it might be, depending on that, the classification of the problem you have to determine here. Okay, the first problem is y is equal to, very simple, a raised to x. You are knowing this, you had learnt in the first PUC. We will make use of this logarithmic differentiation to solve it, where a is a constant here, okay. So take log on both the sides, take logarithm on both sides. That means here what we get here, log y is equal to log of a raised to x. So here what we are having, that is log y is equal to x into log a. Okay, now it is very simple. Now differentiate with respect to x here. Dear students, now it is very clear. Log y differentiation is 1 by y. Further differentiation of y becomes dy by dx, because you are differentiating with respect to x, and d by dx of log x value is 1 by x. Since it is a differentiation of dependent variable log y, log y becomes 1 by y. Further differentiation of y is dy by dx. First thing, equal to. Now here, since log a is a constant here, okay. So now here how we are differentiating here, d by dx of 2x, okay, d by dx of 3x here. You are writing 3 outside, and then you are writing it as dx by dx. The value will be 3 here, isn't it? Because x differentiation is 1 here. In the same manner, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ log a. dx by dx value will be 1. Now here that is nothing but here 1 by y into dy by dx. Now at last dy by dx equal to y into log a. Now what is the question y here? In the question what is the y here? That is nothing but here a raised to x into log a. That is a required solution. So what it is? d by dx of, okay, that is d by dx of, that is d by dx of a raised to x, that is nothing but here a raised to x into log a. This thing already you had learnt in the first PUC, okay, basic thing. Now the proof of it, it is a very simple thing. Okay, now let us move on with the next problems related to our logarithmic differentiation. Okay, the next problem, second one, y is equal to x to the power of sin x, to the power of sin x. Now see here, this particular problem in the examination, if you had asked means solve it, write it directly answer it is. If you had asked for 2 marks to solve it, okay, prove that, solve it for 2 marks, then you have to make use of properties of logarithm and then you have to solve it. If asked for 1 marks, directly write down the answer. Now this is an actual problem asked in your examination kind of view. Now here, since it is f of x to the power of g of x, very simple it is, f of x to the power of gx, very simple, very clear, it is nothing but we have to make use of logarithmic property. What it is, that is nothing but here log y is equal to log of x to the power of sin x. That means here I will rewrite again, that is log y into properties of logarithm, that is sin x into log x, by making use of properties of logarithm, because log a to the power of b means b log a, Okay, properties of logarithm. Now you can differentiate both sides with respect to x. That means here u into v we have to differentiate it. Very simple. Log y differentiation. Log y differentiation is 1 by y into y differentiation will be dy by dx equal to, it is u part and it is v part. Now u as it is, u means what it is, sin x as it is, differentiation of log x, d by dx of log x, okay, plus of log x as it is, into d by dx of what we have, sin x, d by dx of sin x. Very simple. Okay. Now which is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, now I will differentiate it. That is nothing but here sin x into log x differentiation is 1 by x, very simple, plus here log x as it is, okay, into sin x differentiation will be cos x, okay, that is also simple. Now the last step is dy by dx equal to y into the whole thing. What is that whole term here? That is sin x, okay, divided by x plus log x into cos x, okay, that is the required result. Now the last step is substitute y. What is the question y here? That is y is x to the power of sin x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x to the power of sin x into sin x divided by x, okay, plus log x into cos x. That is the required result. Very, very simple and easy example. Okay, dear students, if it is asked in the examination, it will be asked for either 2 or 3 marks. 3 marks means it will be still more lengthier, okay, still more difficult kind of problems here. But actually these kind of problems are very, very simple, okay, and you should compulsory touch these problems in your examination. Okay, now let us start with the next problem here. Okay, the next problem, third one, y is equal to, okay, y is equal to, we shall take another kind of problem here, cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. There are two ways of solving it. One is the first PUC trigonometric formula, cos A into cos B, cos A into cos D formula. Then you will get set of values, again multiplied by cos, again you have to make use of trigonometric formulas. Or else, so here directly how we can make use of, take log on both the sides, take logarithm, log on both sides. So what it is, that is nothing but here log y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Now here what we get here, that implies cos of a, b, c, that is cos a plus cos b plus cos c. So what we have, that is log y is equal to log of cos x plus, then which formula it is, log of cos 2x into, okay, plus log of cos of 3x. Which formula I had made use here? Because that is log AB property, log A into B, that is nothing but here log A plus log B, okay, very, very simple property. Here I was having A, B, C, that is log A plus log B plus log C, that same property, extended one. Okay, now you can differentiate it both sides, very, very simple, clear differentiation it is. Now differentiate both sides, okay, differentiate both sides with respect to x here. So differentiation both side of with respect to x andre enagutte illi, log y differentiation is 1 by y, simple, into further differentiation of y becomes dy by dx equal to, ಈಗ ಇದು ಮೂರು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ 3x. ಓಕೆ, ಮೂರು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ cos x, that is nothing but log x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x, 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x, into further d by dx of what we have, cos x, okay, that is chain rule or composite function here, first part, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 divided by cos 2x into d by dx of cos 2x, d by dx of cos 2x. Then at last the third point, that is nothing but here 1 divided by cos 3x into d by dx of cos 3x, cos 3x. Now here very simple thing. Now further we have to differentiate. So d by dx of cos x, cos x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, that is minus sin x divided by cos x plus next one here cos 2x differentiation, cos 2x differentiation minus of sin 2x whole divided by cos 2x. Now here cos 2x differentiation is sin 2x. Here further differentiation of 2x becomes what it is, d by dx of 2x value plus d by dx of 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then at last part 1 by cos 3x, okay, that is cos 3x into differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin of 3x into d by dx of 3x, into d by dx of 3x. ಈಗ d by dx of 3x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. That is your required result. For the simplification, sin by cos tan, sin 2x by cos 2x, tan x, tan 2x, sin 3x by cos 3x is tan 3x na simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Now the value is that is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, okay, minus of tan x, then minus of sin 2x by cos 2x, that is tan 2x into further differentiation of 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, that is 2, okay, at last minus of, that is nothing but here sin 3x by cos 3x, the value will be tan 3x, into the value will be 3, that is d by dx of 3 value will be 3 here, okay, that is your required result. You can still simplify, that is dy by dx equal to y into minus tan x minus 2 into tan 2x minus 3 into tan 3x. Otherwise directly you can take here minus sign common ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಡೀತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what we get, I can write as minus of means here I will have plus. Okay, now what is the value for y here, that I shall substitute, that is minus of cos x cos 2x, okay, cos 3x into what is the value, tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x, 3 tan, here it is plus 2 tan 2x, that is required result. Okay dear students, it is a very simple and easy example. If it is asked in the examination, he will ask for 3 marks question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, how to skip the steps here. Taking log on both the sides means log y, log abc means you can skip this step here. If you are practicing, if you are well practicing, then only you can skip this step. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇದಾದ ಬಳಿಕ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. How I differentiate directly, you can differentiate here cos of log of cos x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, log ಅಂದರೆ 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Further differentiation cos x is minus sin x, okay, minus sin x. Further differentiation of x becomes 1, okay. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, okay. So and you can write it directly only when you are practicing it, well practice, okay. Now the next problem we shall see now, that is y is equal to x raised to sin x, okay, minus cos x to the power of x, cos x to the power of x. ಈಗ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ, ಆದರೆ one more thing, majority of the students make mistake here. What mistake they make is, properties of logarithm is log ab is equal to log a plus log b, okay, this is right one. But if we are taking log of a plus b, if we are taking it as log a plus log b, it is absolutely 100% wrong. It is, we don't have any properties of logarithm of this particular, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ a plus b equal to log a plus log b ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, okay. So in such cases Okay, in such cases, how we have to solve here? Of course, we have to make use of logarithm and we have to solve it. Therefore, what we can solve here? Let y is equal to u minus v. I will take very simple. Y is equal to u minus v. Differentiate, okay, with respect to x here. So what we get here? That is the dy by dx equal to here it is nothing but here du by dx minus dv by dx. You can take it as equation number 1. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಸೆಪರೇಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ನಾವು? Okay, now pay attention here. That is, first of all, let u is equal to, or now u is equal to what we have here, what we have taken, x to the power of sin x. Just now we had solved about this part. Okay, now here take log on both sides, take log on both sides. What we get here? Log u is equal to, okay, log of x to the power of sin x. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೊಗಾರಿಸಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು sin x into what we have here, log x. Here we have log u. Differentiate, okay, with respect to x. Both sides differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Log u differentiation is 1 by u into du by dx equal to, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ v ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin x differentiation as it is. By parts I have to, okay, the product rule ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Product rule ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೈತಿ? u as it is, d by dx of log x. Log x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x plus log x as it is, that is v as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, differentiation of cos x. Now here du by dx is equal to what we have, u into sin x divided by x plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, cos x into log x. Now here what do you mean by u here? U means the given question, that is nothing but here x to the power of sin x. That is nothing but here x to the power of sin x. So what it is nothing but here du by dx. In equation number 1 I have to substitute it. So before that I require the value for dv by dx. dv by dx value ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, also v is equal to what we have here, that is cos x to the power of x here. Same as it is, take log on both sides. Log v is equal to x into log of cos x. Now observe here, I have to skip the step here. Log of x to the power of sin x, that is nothing but sin x into log x. If I am taking log means, okay, that is nothing but x, it will come to the here, that is x into log of cos x. That means I can differentiate here directly. This part is u and this part is v here. Log of cos x it is. That means it is whole part here. So now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What we get here, that is v differentiation is 1 by v into dv by dx equal to, now here x as it is, log of differentiation is 1 divided by cos x. Further differentiation of cos x becomes minus sin x. Pay attention dear students, I am writing here directly step. Log of cos x differentiation is 1 divided by cos x. Further differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x. Finished. Then plus u as it is, v differentiation. Next plus v as it is, that is the log of cos x as it is. Okay, dear students, x differentiation will be 1. Very simple. Now substitute this v here, sin by cos, that is nothing but tan x, and they can write it. So what we get here, the last step, okay, the last step is dv by dx equal to v into what we have, sin by cos, that is minus tan, minus x into tan x, x term as it is, then plus what we have here, log of cos x. Next, what is the next part now? Here we will write the v value. What is the v value here? that is cos x to the power of x. Okay, I will rewrite here only, that is dv by dx equal to cos x to the power of x, cos x to the power of x. Okay, that is your required result. You can take it as equation number 2 here. This part you can take it as 2 and this part you can take it as equation number 3. Okay, put 2 and 3 in 1. Put 2 and 3 in 1. So what we get here, that is dy by dx equal to first du by dx, equation number 1, that is x to the power of sin x into what we have, sin x by x. Okay, next plus cos x into log x, first part, then minus of dv by dx. dv by dx means equation number 3, what we have, cos x to the power of x into minus x into tan x plus log of cos x. That is your required result. Very, very simple problem. Okay, dear students, now let us start with the next problem. Next problem of this particular session. Dear students, the problems are very, very simple as concerned to this logarithmic function. But the main thing is you should note the properties and you have to make use of it suitably. Okay, the next problem, y is equal to log x to the power of x, okay, plus x to the power of log x. Again same as it is, as you have done the previous part. You can't take it as log of u plus v, log u plus log v ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ, you can take it as let y is equal to u plus v ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. You can take it as equation number 1. Now you can easily differentiate it. So what we get here, first of all u, okay, let u is equal to what we have, log x to the power of x, log x to the power of x here. Now you can take log on both the sides here, that is log u is equal to x into log of log x, that is take log on both the sides. Here we can observe that this whole part is v and this part is u, that is by making the product rule. What is it? That is differentiate both sides with respect to x. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ log u differentiation is 1 by u into further differentiation of u is du by dx equal to x as it is, differentiation of log, that is 1 divided by log x. log ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಬದಲು ಏನದ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ log x ಇದೆ, therefore 1 by log x. Further differentiation of this innermost part, that is 1 by x here, directly I am writing here, then plus log of log x as it is, okay, log v as it is, x differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x differentiation is 1. Okay, now which is nothing but here x divided by x into log x plus log of log x. Okay, now here I will take this u to the RHS, that is nothing but here du by dx equal to u into, now what is this u here, u in the question what we are having, u means it is nothing but log x to the power of x here, log x to the power of x, okay, log x to the power of x. One more thing, very, very important, one more thing, in the properties of logarithm, log a raised to b, it is nothing but here b log a, okay, b log a, but log a to the power of b, okay, log a to the power of b, I can't write it as b log a, very much, it is very important, its value is nothing but here log to the power of ba, okay, log to the power of b of a, okay, it is very, very important thing to note. It is same as like saying that ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು, for example here cos x, okay, we are having cos of x, if we have cos of x square ಇದು ಬೇರೆ, cos of x square ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then cos x whole square ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ cos x whole square ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ are different here. These two terms are different here. That you should be very cautious about it. So therefore here, okay, log a to the power of b means b log a, but log a whole to the power of means log to the power of b of a here. That is very important here. You should be very attentive regarding this particular thing. Many of you make a simple wrong here, that is you make a problem wrong, that is you directly x log x you write it, and that is very wrong here. Now we shall continue the problem. So what is there in the next problem here? Continuation of it. Now the next part is v here. The next part is v here. Now what is the v here? Also v is equal to, what is the value for v is equal to x to the power of log x. Again take log on both the sides. Take log on both sides. What we get here? Log v is equal to log x into log x, log x into log x. Okay, how it is means, okay, that is nothing but here log x to the power of log x. You take this log x over here by making use of properties of logarithm, that is log v is equal to log x into log x. Now what is the value here? Log x into log x. Okay, either you can differentiate it by parts or you can make use of log square x, nothing wrong in that. So what we get here, differentiate both sides, and differentiate both sides with respect to x. You can write it as, okay, I will differentiate by both the sides here, that is 1 by v into dv by dx. I can write it as log square x, I can write it as log square x. Same as it is x square. X square differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ d by dx of x square, what it is? 2x. In the same manner you can write here. Okay, how it is means, that is which is equal to d by dx of log x whole square, or it is log square x. Same it is. Which is equal to, it is nothing but x square. X square differentiation will be 2 log x into further differentiation of log x here, d by dx of log x. Now what is the value here? 2 log x divided by e differentiation. Now that is nothing but here 2 log x as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Now here what is the value for it? That is nothing but here dv by dx. Now what I will do here is 1 by v. Okay, 1 by v dv by dx. This v I will take it to the RHS, that is v into. That value is nothing but here, v means what we have here? V means the question is x to the power of log x, x to the power of log x into 2 log x divided by x. That is the required result. Okay, you can take it as equation number 3 here. This particular thing equation number 2. Now you can substitute 2 and 3, okay, in equation number 1. That is the required result. Put 2 and 3 in 1. That is nothing but here dy by dx equal to u part, that is du by dx log x to the power of x into x by what we have here, x log x plus then log of log x first thing, next part plus of dv by dx. dv by dx means from third equation, that is nothing but here x to the power of log x into 2 log x divided by x. That is a required result. Okay dear students, it is a very simple problem. Please pause the video to note it down. Thank you.